Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit night yellow filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.50. Bring the contrast minus 11. Highlights plus 19. Shadow 0. Whites minus 34. Blacks minus 6. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the tint minus 5. Vibrance plus 64. Saturation minus 18. Go to Color Mix. First go to Orange color and bring the hue minus 25. Saturation plus 63. Luminance plus 14. Next go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 6. Saturation plus 7. Luminance minus 4. Next go to Green. Bring the hue minus 83. Saturation plus 50. Luminance minus 7. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue minus 53. Saturation plus 1. Luminance minus 10. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue minus 38. Go to Purple. Bring the hue minus 35. Saturation minus 33. Next go to Pink. Bring the hue minus 14. Saturation minus 38. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity plus 36. Dehiss plus 20. Vintage minus 20. Go to Split Tone. And bring the hue to plus 35. And saturation plus 66. For highlight. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening plus 23. Noise reduction plus 15. Contrast plus 19. Color noise reduction plus 31. Detail plus 28. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.